Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the Cayenne Turbo GT back in the workshop for another round of upgrades. On the previous series we upgraded a lot of hardware to increase the power output. So we did the Eventuri cold air intake to completely de-restrict the air intake on the car, and it also looks really cool and sounds amazing. Underneath the intake we have the turbochargers, so the turbochargers create more boost. To cool that boost we've then installed the CSF intercoolers in the front, and then to get all of that exhaust flow out of the engine we've installed some JCR high performance downpipes as well. So there's a lot of hardware that's gone on the car, and we have been limited by the fueling. So this time round we're going to be upgrading the low pressure fuel system, and then also installing some water meth, and then handing it over to our friends over at ESMOTOR to map the car. So this particular customer wants to use the car for half-mile racing as well as drag racing. He's going to have a lot of fun with it. It's really powerful already. So what we're going to do now is get all of that hardware fitted and then hand it over to the guys at ESMOTOR for their tuning, and then we're going to talk to you a little bit more about those numbers as well. So we'll catch you at the end of the video. So we've now got the Cayenne Turbo GT back from ESMOTOR. It's finally finished tuned, and we have some performance numbers to share with you. So bearing in mind this car is about 1,000 horsepower now, and is still obviously way above 2 tons, about 2,300 kilos. It's putting in a 0 to 60 time of 2.5 seconds. It's done a 10-second quarter mile, and then 100 to 200 kilometers an hour is on 6.3 seconds as well. So it's super fast, and in this cold and wet weather it's pretty dangerous as well, with 4 wheels literally drifting over the tarmac with these tires. So really looking forward to seeing how this car performs in the dry, because it is an absolute beast. And a special thanks to ESMOTOR as well for tuning the car for us. If you're looking for a similar build on your Cayenne Turbo GT, C8 RS6, RSQ8, any of those kinds of cars with a 4.0 litre twin turbo V8, then get in touch with our team in the description. But for now, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.